It is now time for a very special moment in our program, the book opening ceremony. The literary work of Dr. Virupaksha Devramane, titled Ninage Nine Geleya, which sheds light on the lives of children of addicts. I request our regional director Vivek V. Pais to share more insights on this book.
Ninage Nine Geleya is Kannada book written by Dr. Virupaksha Devramane, who is consultant psychiatrist working in Dr. A.V. Baliga Memorial Hospital, Udupi. Along with his consultation at his hospital, he is actively involved in public talks and writing to raise awareness about mental health problems and solutions. So far, he has authored 8 books in Kannada, mainly in relationships, parenting, and school mental health. He has personally interest in identifying and helping emotional problems faced by children living parental alcoholism. This book, Ninage Nine Geleya, which means you are your best friend, written to enable children of alcoholics to live normal childhood. The book has been dedicated to Rajarshi Dr. D. Virendra Hegade for his exemplary work of conducting thousands of de-addiction camps across the state, thereby helping lakhs of addicts to live addiction-free life. The book Ninage Nine Geleya educates common problems faced by these children, positive coping strategies to them. It also intends to educate public and educational institutions. Thank you, sir.
ಇದೀಗ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಕಾಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂತಹ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಮಾವತಿ ವಿ ಹೆಗ್ಗಡೆಯವರು. ನಿನಗೆ ನೀನೆ ಗೆಳೆಯ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾತೃಶ್ರೀ ಹೇಮಾವತಿ ವಿ ಹೆಗ್ಗಡೆಯವರಿಂದ. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿರೂಪಾಕ್ಷ ದೇವರಮನೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಪರಮಪೂಜ್ಯ ದಂಪತಿಗಳು ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆ ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.